Terry here, Miss Terry here. Today we're going to learn about factoring polynomials by grouping. Some clues and info to let us know that we're going to be using grouping. First of all, the polynomial will have 4 terms in it. We're going to take that polynomial and we're going to use factoring by GCF twice because we're going to split the polynomial into 2 parts. And a hint that I want you to always look for: what is in the parentheses must match. Okay, what do these look like? Here we got 4 examples. You'll notice they do have 4 terms here. So we're going to try each one of these. All right, let's begin. Number 1. 10ab plus 15b plus 4a plus 6. Don't forget, we said we're going to split the polynomial in half. So I'm going to split it into 2 parts. And then I factor by GCF on both sides. If I factor the blue side, I'm going to factor out a GCF of 5b. And then what I have left is 2a plus 3. If I factor out a GCF out of the green side, I'm going to factor out a positive 2. And then I'm left with 2a plus 3. And you'll notice that what is in parentheses matches, which is exactly what we were looking for. So then we're going to factor out our common factor. You'll notice there is a common factor of 2a plus 3. And when you factor out the 2a plus 3, you're left with 5b plus 2. Final answer will be 2 binomials multiplied together, 2a plus 3 times 5b plus 2. Okay, let's move on. Number 2. 6x squared plus 9xy minus 14x minus 21y. Don't forget, split it in half. Split it in half. Find your GCF. On the left side, the GCF is 3x. There is a common 3x, and then you're left with 2x plus 3y. I look at the other side, and I want to factor out a 7. But if I factor out a positive 7, it's not going to work because I will end up with negative numbers on the inside. So I'm going to factor out a negative 7. That way I will get my inside of my parentheses to match, which is what I was looking for. Factor out the 2x plus 3y, and you're left with your final answer of 2x plus 3y times 3x minus 7. Let's move on to number 3. 5xy minus 8x minus 10y plus 16. Same thing. Split it up, split it up, split it up. Factor out the GCF. This time, my only GCF is an x. Factor that out, and I'm left with 5y minus 8. On the green side, I'm going to factor out a negative 2. This is similar to the other one. My insides match. The 5y minus 8 is then factored out, and I'm left with my final answer of 5y minus 8 times x minus 2. Okay, let's move on. Number 4. 6x cubed minus 15x squared plus 2x minus 5. Split it up in half. Factor out my GCF. The first one on the left side in blue, I'm going to factor out a 3x squared, and then I'm left with 2x minus 5. I look on the right side in my green, and there's no common factors. So you can factor out a 1. So factor out a 1, and you'll notice that what is in the parentheses is the same. Factor out the 2x minus 5, and then you're left with 2x minus 5 times 3x squared plus 1. Hope you enjoyed Factor by Grouping. Remember to look for the 4 terms. Thank you so much for viewing. And be sure to hit subscribe so you can hear about new math videos. You can follow me on Twitter at Math with Dabbit. And if you need live tutoring, you can contact me at tntcenter.com. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.